ZBCN is sitting on what many people are calling support. And that's exactly what makes this moment so dangerous. When price reaches a last support level, people feel safe. It's a double bottom. They assume it will hold. It didn't break out in so much time. They assume they will be saved. But, and this is an important but, context matters. Now, we're in a Bitcoin bear market. ZBCN has spent months building a descending triangle. This is a very bad and nefarious, one would say, combination that doesn't usually resolve sideways, which I know a lot of people are kind of hoping. They want it to be sideways, hopefully maybe a few months until Bitcoin kind of pans out, and then poof, future is all up, up, up. Unfortunately, if this level breaks, and it has a high probability it will break, the risk is not a small dip, right? It's a move all the way back down to the lows. Now, I want to show you why support is not protection, and I want to show you what is the best MO to take from here on. Join me just a couple of minutes, like and subscribe to this channel. This is ZBCN channel. Chart. As you can see, this is the support level I have been talking about. It used to be resistance and now it's support, right? The beauty is that if you know how to use these areas correctly, you would have known to take a trade here. This is what we did. You can go back to our trades, see them. This is a trade we took exactly on the T. Beautiful trade. The only trade that was super duper trade for ZBCN. Now, just as by knowing that if this breaks out up, you have a high probability of a outperformance type move. The same thing is that after this became a support level, breaking down below means this again. All right, you see all this? This is potentially the levels we're going to get to once we break down. And to be honest, I don't think it's even an if anymore. I know a lot of you are going to give me, give me heat about this, about how I can't predict the future. And that's true. I cannot predict the future. But I will tell you what I can say. If we break below this support level, the probability of us going down to these levels is very, very high. Not too far from today. Month, 2 months from now, you can be cruising down. Even if you do get now a bit of a move here, something like this, bam, this will happen. And eventually something like this, attempt to break average, potentially down. And this is how ZBCN is going to look probably forever. Because a lot of people, they believe the stories. They believe what the company, the project is trying to sell you. They're trying to sell you that ZBCN has real world utility. They're trying to sell you that they have all these big partnerships with these big, amazing companies. Okay? That's what they're trying to sell you. However, it's only word out, because the reality is that the price action is doing lower highs and is sitting down on a multi-month support level. This is called a descending triangle, okay? And when descending triangles break down, it is not a beautiful look whatsoever. They break down quite substantially and break for a long, long time, right? This is the danger that I'm seeing right now on ZBCN. It's a big danger. It's the danger zone because a lot of people feel safe. Oh, they feel like this is the floor. This is the floor that will save them. This, let's call it a 0.0022 level. They feel this is the floor. But the reality is that this is not the floor, all right? Actually, it's a banana. You know why it's a banana? Because the moment we slip on the banana, bang, we go upside down and we fall down. This is the danger zone. This is probably one of the last calls you have before ZBCN is going to go below it. Yes, I appreciate the fact that short-term nuances and moves can happen. It can go a bit higher before it goes lower. But man, oh man, Bitcoin in the bear market, breaking down below the 80s, breaking below the 75s, marketing a bear market for multiple months ahead. That's the potential and most probable outcome, ZBCN will not be saved. And this is the danger zone. You have probably one last step before it cracks down, and probably down for good. I know you're going to give me heat. I know this is a project you love. I love you guys more than I love any project, and girls actually. I want you to be safe and sound. I want you to have a game plan. I want you to have knowledge that no one else is talking about. Everyone else is talking about, oh, this is so good. Just hold, just be patient. Just you wait all the way down. Oh, the addresses are buying all the way down. All the whales are accumulating all the way down, over and over again. Stop believing the stories. Stop believing the nonsense. Start believing price action. Price action tells the truth. And adages like, oh, the patients are rewarded because it happened to Bitcoin. Stop. Just stop. Bitcoin is the one and only coin that this happened. Maybe Dogecoin is the second one. The rest of the coins, they have one bull market, like what ZBCN had, a very short-lived one, unfortunately. And then, bam, that is it. Stop believing the stories. Stop believing the narratives and what people and projects are trying to sell you. Start learning, start understanding. This is my call to you, a wake-up call. This ZBCN is in the danger zone, and you need to make up a decision. Now, if you don't want to make that decision alone, I invite you to a winning team. We are a team of winners that consistently yields results. We know how to be professional regarding to market mindset, market execution, and you can come join our elite team. This is where we take you hand by hand, not only giving you fish in the term of trades, we share the trades to teach you how we do things for educational purposes, and you can actually follow them if you want, but also you have a call with us. You can have multiple calls with us in the first month. We save you from making mistakes. Stop being those people. I'm getting an influx of people right now after they lost 70, 80, 90% of their capital. And now to save them to get back into break even, it's such a hard job that will take a long time, because if you lose 90% of your account, you need a 900% gain to get back to break even. Stop with that. Stop with the mindset of following YouTubers that always say, oh, it's going up. Oh, be patient. Oh, this and that. No, stop. Stop losing. Stop the bleed. Come join to a winning team. We will coach you. And not only that, we short on the way down where everyone else is panicking. Oh, should I hold or should I sell? Whatever. We are shorting the market consistently. You can come to our live shows and see how we share and show all the trades that we take also. And probably you've been following us for months and you know that we have been consistently right. Stop with the hesitance. Join Elite VIP. You're going to have in the first comment a coupon code. Use that if you will. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.